Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I've got my pink bubbly earrings in again and my snood. I love these. They really are nice and comforting and just really nice to wear. I just love these, but I've already been out and I've just left it on, so I thought I'd do this unboxing. So what it is I know that this is Roccabox because of the pink cover that it comes in. It always comes in that pink cover, so we are just going to open it up and unbox it. Right, so it's in the classic white box that Roccabox comes in. And so you see, it's like classic white box with rose gold, and it says Roccabox. Right, so just flip the lid. And I think that this is £13 a month. I'm not sure, but I will check. And okay, so we have got this. So we will just take that off and you see the contents of my box. This is the January box. So I'm expecting lots of skincare, but this is, oh, are you an uppy tot, the hungover coffee scrub. Okay, we'll have a look, because I will use these. I love these scrubs in the bath, in the shower, and they're just really nice. I have a coffee scrub already, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to open it to have a scent of, just to see if it's really, oh, that looks really, really black. Can you see it? It's just there. It has a nice scent of coffee. It has a scent of mint as well. It has like, it's like a minty coffee. I don't know where it's getting the mint from, because it's made of coffee, Arabica seed powder, Arabica coffee, and it's just got mint. Oh yeah, it has peppermint oil in it. That's where the mint is coming from. Really nice smell though to it. So I'm just going to pop that over there for now. Then we'll get on with the rest of this unboxing. So we have, what is it? Oh, I've got a piece of stuff to it. This is a Rose Glow Youth Busting Peel Off Mask with vitamin B3. And there we go. As you'll see it. If that is good, it will go in my good box. If it's bad, it goes in the bad box. So yeah, so you will know what it's like. Right, just try to put that over there. Then we got a Ica Skin Rub Tint Lip Butter. There we go, you see it. Is it? Right, so we'll just pop this open. Is it cruelty free? I don't think it is. No, it's 100% natural, 100% organic, and it says organic, wild harvested, but it doesn't say whether it's, oh yes, it is cruelty free, so it's a good one. Not tested on animals, means cruelty free. So yeah, it is. So we're just going to open this up. Now these boxes take their time. It takes time on opening them. They're just like really ridiculously hard to open. So is it going to come out for me nice and easy? No, it's not. It's just going to be a little troublesome. And I have to wreck the box to get the product out. Right, okay, so this is it there, and you'll see it's like a reddish orangey colour. So this is like a lip butter, and that is the colour there. So right, so we'll just pop a little bit of it. Oh, it feels really, really nice. I do like that, it feels nice. It's like, it has a nice scent to it as well. I like the scent, but it's like, oh, it's like really clear, so maybe that would go over a lip stick. actually taken my lipstick off. I wouldn't do it anymore of it, but if it's good, it goes in the good box. Bad box. So we'll give it a proper try out. And then we got a, what are you? You will make me shimmer, highlighter pencil, shimmery eyes and lipper face. So we will give this a whirl. It's open. So this is like for your highlighter, I suppose. So this is a highlighter. Right, so am I in? Yep, I'm into it. Right. So it says, we'll just try a bit on my eyebrow, which will be there. So I'm just going to check to see if it's highlighted anything. So where did it say to highlight? We'll try it. Maybe, so I don't know. You see it. Is it going to show up? I don't think it's going to show up. No, it's just not at all going to show up. Sorry, I'm just using my mirror just to find it. No, it's not going to show up or do anything at all. So no, that is no good. Right, okay, so that is that. Then next we got, what is it? Oh, it looks like it's broken. I don't know. We will see. I hope it's not. So this is the Lord Berry Setter Premier eyeshadow. It doesn't look very promising. It looks bloody broken. Yes, it is. It's broken. But it was a pretty colour as well. Is it? Yeah, just swatch it. No, it's not going to show up very good. It's like a right nice summery colour as well, so I do like it. I'll try it, but it's just not looking promising. Anyway, that is that. That's the Lord Berry one. Right, okay, so I think that this is the end of this month's box. What do I think of it? I think that the only thing that I'm really impressed with, what was it? The one thing I was really impressed with, well, I haven't tried this, so it could be this that's worthwhile, but I don't know. The other products I'm not really impressed with. That could have worked better, but so probably, so what I would like is these two products. Probably, so I am not keen on that because it just, yes, I am keen on that. It's okay, but right, okay, so these are this is the information on the box. So it says, this month's box, it says, well, hello 2018, it's a brand new year and we want to make sure you're looking equally fresh and glowing to welcome it in. Enter your January box acre, the Glow Getter, which has been created in collaboration with the Style Lane, which is being Jan, a time when we're all looking not to mention feeling a little jaded. We just had one request from Penny Lane, the Style Lane founder, the editor, and was to deliver Roccabox lovelies. Nothing but glow restoring beauty heroes, and with help experience dishing out definitive beauty service. We trusted Penny to pull it off. So take a peek and see which products she's trusting to give you back your glow and restore your radiance in 2018. So this is the mask, the glow mask, and this is £5. Right, so this is also the Londonberry eyeshadow, which is £12. So we're up to £17, and we have this, which is the shimmer highlighter. Is that? We're actually going to try this out again because I didn't give it a good probably test. So I'm just going to try this out to see if it will actually do something. And it's just actually broke off, but I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It doesn't show up at all on my camera. It's showing up a bit there. Can you see it? It's really like a nice shimmery look. So probably it is. It's just not showing up on the camera. So that is a good product. And that is £6. We got the coffee scrub, which is here, and this is £6.99. Now I don't think that is £6.99 for that little sachet. I would say it's more like a sample, but this is does say the Uppitat, the hungover patient peppermint coffee scrub need in it. I don't know, but I wouldn't pay £6.99 for that little sachet. I think it's just a sample. So yeah, so we have, do we have a sneak peek for next month? And also, I have lost it, but the ruby tint lip butter, that is £9. It's so tiny. Oh, it's here. There we go. So that is £9 for that. And so, yep. Right, so if you like my video, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye bye.